Nova lokacija in nova glasbena zvrst. Na festivalu Bled je čas za jazz in sem na Blejski grad so ga pripeljali člani Big Banda iz Brentwooda. Gre za šolski band iz Velike Britanije, ki deluje že več kot 30 let.
We play music from all genres. We play swing, we play funk, we play Latin and a lot of vocal features. It's a really vibrant band and we focus on improvisation, having fun, but also playing together without a conductor. I lead the band, but the band conducts themselves.
Poleg tega so posebni še zaradi nečesa drugega.
Our big band has a lot of fun. We have fun both on and off stage. We like to socialise and have a really good time because we think that the more fun you have off stage, the more fun you have on stage. So it's all important.
Sophie v Big Bandu poje že 4 leta. V tem času so člani postali njena druga družina.
We all kind of work as one big family and everybody's so accepting. It doesn't matter who you are. Everybody in this band is just friendly with each other, to be honest.
Že znanim glasbenim smerim dodajo svoj pečat in vedno bolj sledijo novim smerim v glasbi.
We have tried to incorporate a groove, as our teacher, Mr. Cooper, likes to call it. It's where we try and add funk and jazz together, and so we have a bit more of funk and a bit more of jazz. So lots of use of classic songs, and then you have some new, more groovy, funky songs that have been brought in.
Njihove poti glasbenega ustvarjanja so brezmejne.
Well, I think music has the ability to sort of evoke all kinds of emotions, and jazz is no different to that. So we can feel sadness, feel happiness. But for me, the most predominant feeling people should feel after a concert of jazz and big band music is a sense of fun and excitement. And that, if we can achieve that, then we've done our job properly.
Občinstvo na zgornji terasi Blejskega gradu so začarali z znanimi zvoki Franka Sinatre, Ella Fitzgerald in drugih.
Well, I do like the jazz music and the swing, so I'm really enjoying it, especially the trombones, because I play the trombone myself, so yeah, it's really cool.
I have to stop myself from dancing. Yeah, it feels good. We want to keep moving to the music.
Nekateri pa so se preprosto odlični jazz glasbi popolnoma prepustili in zaplesali.